buying every token that is launched. Who are you? You can't buy every token that is launched. You're just coming with your $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $50, $10, $5, and you want to buy every token that's being launched. You will not survive in this crypto space, so you will not survive it. You make your portfolio switching. You share $10 into 17 tokens. When they make significant move, you are not seeing any profit because what? You keep spreading your portfolio too much. Get a token, build your conviction around it. Some people held BNB for 5 years, 6 years, and they made life-changing money. So look for a token that is building. For me, I've been holding ICE blockchain, ICE token, ION for the past 4 years because they are building and we have been patient. Delayance does not mean that things will not happen as long as building is taking place. GTAN is also building, and a lot of other tokens that I may not have time to mention. Get a token, build your conviction around it, go all in, and the future will be very bright for you. Catch you in the next video.